At Okuma Fishing Tackle, we understand that design and innovation are two critical elements for developing and growing a strong brand. Our goal is to enhance every fishing experience by integrating the latest advancements in materials, construction, and design into our products. In short, we strive to create the tools that unlock endless angling possibilities. Okuma incorporates 4 key elements into the design and development of the flagship Makaira line. We call this the 4D concept. Design. From start to finish, every Okuma design product is heavily researched, well thought out, tested, and utilizes the best materials available. Drive. The combination of Okuma's precision elliptical gearing and the helical cut style of these gears offers the smoothest, strongest eternal system on the market today and helps keep Okuma ahead of the competition. Drag. Okuma's dual-force drag DFD system is a pull bar drag system and offers exceptionally smooth, yet extremely powerful drag while reducing side load pressure and improving heat dissipation. Durability. By selecting the highest grade materials and optimizing every aspect of the reel's design, Okuma's reels are unbeatably strong, long-lasting, and durable. From the very beginning concept of a product to the final production design, every aspect of the reel needs to be thoroughly tested and adjusted properly to offer the best possible product to the end consumer. Incoming material inspection. All incoming materials go through a multiple testing process to ensure proper strength and sizing capability. Precision machining. After passing through the CNC machining process, each component is tested by a coordinate measuring machine to ensure absolute precision and exact tolerances. Assembly inspection. Concentration and accuracy are the keys that lead to high performance and efficiency when assembling the product. After 150 separate components are crafted and assembled into a high-end reel, it then must pass through a 19-step quality control process. Lifetime testing. Before a product is released, a quantity of reels are selected for a lifetime test with professional, state-of-the-art testing machines including drive, drag, and durability. Anti-reverse capability testing machine. This machine simulates a fish's sudden runs with heavy pressure on the drag and anti-reverse systems. Drag control lever lifetime testing machine. This is utilized to test the drag control lever's functionality and longevity by repeatedly switching the lever forward and back. Handle rivets, gear meshing, and drag washer reliability testing machine. This machine simulates the line retrieve while winding in a fish to test the durability and strength of the handle arm and drag system. 2-speed switch capability testing machine. This machine is used to test the 2-speed function for proper engagement and functionality after thousands of times of use. Salt mist testing machine. This machine is used to test the longevity for the simulate parts under the seawater environment in a long period of time. At Okuma, our goal is to enhance every fishing encounter. Looking at every fishery and technique and developing the tools to engage and enjoy them is behind every design concept. Okuma utilizes an extremely knowledgeable and passionate product testing group made up of angling professionals from all over the world. Listening and working closely with our testers, as well as the angling community, is what keeps Okuma at the forefront of innovation.